Hey, I'm Ty, and this is my girlfriend Cam. And for the past 4 months, we've been traveling the western United States in our van, Vanellope.
Good morning!
Good morning, friends. We are heading out on the hike. We've got 2.6 miles till we get to the hot spring. We've had some snacks, and we have our coffee with us, and we're gonna be enjoying this nice hot spring. It's a cooler day, so it should be perfect.
And it's pretty early, so it's
Hopefully not gonna be too packed. We'll see. We woke up pretty early this morning, about 7 o'clock, 7:30ish.
Well,
Cam did.
it depends
Depends on if we were, we're in Arizona, but our phones keep changing back and forth, so it's kind of weird.
back and forth from Nevada and Arizona.
But yeah, we'll see you at the hot spring. We made it to the hot spring. Perfect. So we're snacking. Nah, they're down there. We just wanted to eat.
Finished the hike, then ate, then played Catan, and then we're just stretching our legs again, taking a little walk until we go back and play Catan again. Right?
Yeah. We'll head back and play some more. Chill.
We'll probably sleep at the same spot.
Yeah, we're gonna stay the night here so we're gonna do the hike again tomorrow and go into the hot springs again since we have time to kill.
Yeah.
Since it was so nice. So we're just gonna take a different route tomorrow, and yeah, it'll be a bit of a different hike. Tonight we got some tofu, and some veggies and rice. It's gonna be bomb. Good morning. We have our coffee, we have our bags packed, and we are heading back down into the hot springs. We're taking a different route today. We're gonna take the whole loop where we have to climb the ladder, and it's gonna be a little more difficult, but it'll be more fun, right?
Yes.
Here we go. So sad. The whole wing got ripped off. It's like an owl or something.
Damn.
It's nuts.
Got destroyed. That's crazy. Are we being hunted?
For real, man. It's wild.
It's like a mini hot spring.
Mini hot spring, we found one. Hop in there, Cam.
That's so cool.
Just trickles out of the rock. That's so awesome.
So if we ever get, stuck here, we know, and we run out of water.
I don't know if that's stuff we could drink. I mean, I do have my
Those straws.
straws, but still kind of sketch. We'll have to check if it can do amoebas. If it stops brain eating
comes
amoebas.
down to it, I'll drink anything to survive.
Yeah, I guess so. I'd rather drink
We'll
my
see what
pee in
kills
one of
me
those.
But we found the river. On the map, as part of the trail, says that there's no real trail, so kind of just have to figure it out. So I guess we'll see. On the map it says must climb over hills.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go that way.
Yeah.
But there's people down there.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful fucking spot, though.
Yeah, that's for sure. Okay. How do you do that?
Just find good spots to put your feet in. Basically, just walk up.
People do this with their children?
Kids probably love this shit. Let me go over there. This time we're coming up from the bottom. It's beautiful. We've got to climb up that to get to the hot spring. Kind of sketch, but I believe we can do it.
Let's hope my shoes don't get wet.
They're gonna get a bit wet, but
Let's hope they don't fall off.
yeah, that's more of the more of the issue if you have to climb back down.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Here we go, baby. This is gonna be fun.
We made it.
We made it up to the hot spring. Fuck yeah, that was a cool climb.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was a cool experience.
Got our own hot tub. We've got it all to ourselves. Beautiful. Made it.
No more uphill.
Picked all this up on the way. Always leave the trailer campsite better than you found it.
And don't freaking litter.
Don't freaking litter.
Don't be stupid.
Don't be stupid. Who does that shit?
So, made it back from the hike.
We made it back from the hike.
We
Spent a good
stayed
time
there.
soaking. It was
Delicious.
It was awesome. It felt great. Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah.
The hike back was
Amazing. Well.
It's been a long day, it seems like.
Now we're dumping. Now we're dumping. And then we're gonna go park somewhere and crash for the night.
Well, we don't know where though.
I'm not 100% sure where, but.
Now we dump.
Hmm?
Screw your generator, bud.
Yeah, that's so annoying.
Like, we're in a parking lot. We don't fuck with that. So we're moving.
There's a trailhead too. We could go for a hike in the morning.
Oh, cool. Oh, the door. The door. Oh, wait, dude. None of this is level.
You're right. Well, that one is.
Oh. Nice.
Good morning.
Now there's a rock.
We spent the night in this parking lot outside of the Hoover Dam Lodge. They let us park here for free, which is pretty cool. We actually are right next to a trailhead and Lake Mead. It's actually a really pretty spot besides being in a parking lot. And there were some trucks, but it really wasn't too bad, right?
No, not too shabby.
Yeah. So we're gonna whip up some coffee, drink it, and then we gotta go and get some maintenance done on the van. Quick oil change and a new fuel filter. I would do it myself, but I just don't really know where I could do it at the moment. So we're gonna go get it done.
Nice. Oh, it's on the front. It's been worn. Oh, you're peeing again? Again.
No brain eating amoebas in our brains.
No what?
No brain eating amoebas in our brains. I'll be real careful not to drop my phone. What do we do?